NCNA stock analysis and price predictions for Wednesday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this very brief and short 1-minute video till the end to find out, because that's exactly how I'm going to show you my play. With NCNA, I've already, not even with just this, I'm the only guy in the space with 43,000 videos documented over 5 years. I've seen what's working for me and what's not. And especially with NuCana, it gapped down, so it's really not like I took any sells here. But my bearish bias is still on point, but you can see pre-market is a little bit lower. I was like, if I see a double break, I'm looking to take it down. Now, obviously, I will understand it's not the most volatile thing ever, so idea is still going to see the same. For me to be bullish, unless there's a big catalyst or proper breaks above 0.0626, there's just no way that I'm going to buy. That's ultimately for me what it comes down to. And on top of it, I do have a bunch of receipts with 15 results in the Discord as well. So stay tuned, and if you want to get my money making emails and insights for free, click the first link in the description, and I'll continue to keep you updated. Goodbye.